Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I will show you how to paint the sea. Here you will also see the basic techniques for painting the sky and clouds. I'm going to use acrylic colors for this painting. These are my brushes which I will use, one flat brush and two round brushes. So let's get started. First I will be mixing some cobalt blue, some white and a little bit of Prussian. The color should be mixed properly so that it can be blended well on the paper. Acrylic paint is basically a fast-drying paint, so you have to work a little bit faster. Now I will apply white color to the bottom part of the sky and blend it properly. Next I take a little bit white for clouds and blend like this. The top of the cloud should appear brighter than the bottom to make it look more realistic. Now added some more white. Now we will come to the sea. For this portion I am mixing Prussian blue and a little white. Next, let's apply the color. Some parts should be made a little bright or some parts a little dark to paint waves. Then apply some dark shade like this. Some more white. Now giving some wavy effect by adding some white. So everyone, if you like the video and if it is helpful for you to learn something, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me. It will encourage me to create more content. Thank you everyone.